Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Beats and pairing them. Turn the headphones on and put them in pairing mode. Your phone should list Beats Studio 3. Once paired, make sure you grant microphone permission to the calling or recording app. This step lets the headset's internal mic be used for voice. If you have the remote audio cable, plug it in now to use the inline mic. Otherwise, continue with Bluetooth. These initial steps get the device recognized and allowed to send your voice. Now you choose the Beats mic as the input and verify it works. On your phone or computer, set Beats Studio 3 for microphone/input, not just output. Then run a short voice memo or place a test call to listen for clarity and background noise. Adjust mic position by tilting the ear cup slightly toward your mouth. Make sure firmware is current in the Beats app because firmware fixes can improve mic performance. If audio sounds thin, raise mic permission levels or try another app to isolate the issue. Finish by confirming settings and performing a final call. You should test with pure ANC toggled because noise cancellation can affect voice pickup. Choose the best setting for your environment. If the mic still fails, reboot your phone and the Beats, forget the Bluetooth pairing, then pair again. Try the supplied inline cable to see if the wireless mic or Bluetooth path is the problem. If none of this works, contact support. But one quick try is switching devices to confirm whether the headset or phone is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.